People often assume that low-risk devices are easy, but the opposite is usually true. The simplest products often bring the hardest business challenges because they operate in mature markets with intense cost pressure and razor-thin margins. Cannulas, drapes, syringes, and basic surgical instruments don't compete through novelty, they compete through efficiency, manufacturability, and consistent, user-centered value. High volumes magnify everything. A small scrap rate becomes thousands of wasted units. A few extra seconds in assembly time turn into real labor cost. A minor packaging defect becomes pallets of product that fail distribution simulation. Shipping errors, dimensional drift, or inconsistent bond strength scale aggressively when you're producing at industrial volume. The technical risk may be low, but the operational risk is enormous. That's why engineering decisions must anticipate automation and high-speed production. Tooling must support repeatability. Materials must flow predictably and resist variation. Features must self-align so assembly doesn't require finesse. Bonding, molding, cutting, and forming processes must tolerate real-world variation without sacrificing yield. High-volume molding demands stable resin, clean gating, tight tolerances, and predictable shrink. Automation demands parts that behave the same way every single cycle. User experience still matters, maybe more than ever. A simple device must perform flawlessly through gloves, fluids, and fatigue. It must hold up under repeated cleaning and sterilization if it's reusable, or maintain sterile barrier integrity if it's single-use. Reprocessing and reuse strategies must withstand the chemicals, temperatures, and mechanical abuse of real clinical workflows, not just ideal lab conditions. Supply chain strategy becomes a competitive advantage. Resin availability, tooling maintenance, supplier capability, shipping predictability, packaging durability, and sterilization throughput determine whether a simple product remains profitable. Manufacturing efficiency becomes the innovation. At Concise Engineering, we focus on cost-efficient robustness, high-yield, repeatable performance, workflows that reduce fatigue, and designs optimized for scale, not just prototyping. If your device looks simple, the real opportunity is in the execution. Let's make your easy device the best one on the field.